What's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Abby if you are new. Today I'm sharing my details on how I achieved this wash and go, and y'all, I only use 3 products to get my hair looking like this. All of the products that I'll be using today are by the Love Yourself brands. This is their Love Your Curls line, and I am starting off by washing my hair first. I started off by using their sulfate-free shampoo, and it is infused with shea butter and moringa oil. And I love the fact that it's infused with these 2 specific ingredients because they are ingredients that focus on moisture and adding softness to your hair. Overall, the shampoo process was very simple. My hair felt very soft upon removing the shampoo, and it felt squeaky clean. Moving on to step 2, I went ahead and used their silicone-free conditioner, and I think this has to be my favorite product in the entire line. It works, you know. The conditioner is infused with shea butter and moringa oil as well, so the detangling process was very, very easy. What I like about the conditioner is that a little goes a long way, so the detangling process is really a breeze. I just separated my hair into 4 sections and used my Denman brush to comb through, and even with just using the conditioner, you can see my curls kind of clumping and defining themselves. Honestly, just by using this conditioner, I already had a good idea as to how the styling product was gonna work, and I was already happy at ease. Like, I already knew I was gonna have a fire wash and go. As you guys can see, the detangle side versus the non-detangle side, my curls were already clumping and my fingers were able to run through. I went ahead and finished detangling my hair. I didn't add any more conditioner. This is just as I'm brushing through, it just creates the white coating, and I was happy, okay? And another thing is that I know that products work really well when I'm rinsing out the shampoo and conditioner and my hair gets flat. You see clumped curls and my hair is flat. That means my hair is clean and ready to be styled. And in this clip, you guys see me kind of like, I'm spellbound. Like, what? My hair is flat? This don't happen all the time. This is crazy. So my next step was styling my hair, and in every section I went ahead and added some water, and I went in with the all-in-one styler provided by the Love Your Curls brand. This is the 3rd step into this 3-step solution. It is the only product that you need to achieve the best curls, and honestly, I was a little bit hesitant when reading how these products work because I'm like, listen, every time I have a wash and go, I need at least 3 products just in the styling process to be able to achieve the best curls. But this is different. This was amazing, okay? So I just added water, put in some of that styler, clumped my curls, and moved on to the next section. As you can see, there is a little like coating of white, and that's okay. That's what it looks like when you're first applying it, but once your hair is dry, that white coating goes away. They do have 3 different stylers depending on your hair texture. There is one for wavy hair, one for curly hair, and one for coily hair. The one that I am using is focused on helping define coily and kinky curls. I purposely didn't try to do too much work with my curls. That's why you see me only kind of running my fingers through and clumping it, because I really wanted to see how well this product works without having me do so much manipulation. I was surprised to see how well my curls were doing with just one product, so that made me really happy and made the styling process really fast. Not only did this product help my curls get really defined, but my hair also felt very soft and it was very lightweight. I didn't feel like I had too much going on in my hair and my hair felt too stiff. So after doing my makeup, I decided to diffuse my hair, and after diffusing for about 15 to 20 minutes, these were my final results. My hair was soft, bouncy, cute, and defined. These products were so amazing. If you're looking for products that will help you achieve a bomb wash and go in a very short amount of time, then I would definitely look into the Love Yourself, Love Your Curls brand. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.